Lay units on their backs. Unfold the legs and adjust them to 5mm above the required plinth height. If you have height constraints with your tall units, keep the units upright and tilt them forwards and backwards to adjust the legs. Push the first unit into position and ensure it's level with the wall and floor from all angles. Mark the fixing brackets positions. Screw these brackets to the wall before screwing them to the cabinet from the inside. This ensures screws are hidden. Because it's a tall, handleless unit, you'll need to screw a 35mm spacer to the side. Then screw the aluminium rail to the front using the pre-drilled holes. Move on to the next unit. Unfold the legs, adjust as required, and push into position. Ensure the unit is aligned with others and level. As before, fix brackets into place, screw in spacers, and attach aluminium rails. Repeat for the remaining units, then attach the doors. For the end panel, measure the size required, ensuring the front edge comes to the front of the doors, and then cut to size. Drill pilot holes so the panels can be screwed to the aluminium rail. At the back of the unit, use a 60mm screw to go from the inside of the cabinet, through the gap and into the panel. This will ensure the screws aren't visible.